Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring your Rust toolchain is current and your project exists. Once done, add the ACK dependency so you can call its API immediately. Open Cargo. TOML and set the version, then run cargo build to fetch and compile. Make sure to enable the needed features now. That avoids backtracking. If you use async, confirm Tokio or async.std is present. Finally, open src/main rs and prepare the basic imports so the next steps are ready. You now wire ACK into your app, import the exact types you need, and instantiate the primary client or manager. Once done, pass explicit configuration objects instead of relying on defaults. That prevents surprising behavior later. Use async runtime when ACK exposes async APIs and await operations to avoid blocking. Make sure to map or propagate errors with or match so you can surface useful messages. If you need traits implemented for your types, implement them now to satisfy the compiler. You finish by exercising the full flow and validating expected outputs. Write a small integration test to lock behavior. Once validated, add concise logs to trace runtime decisions so you can debug live issues. If something fails, rebuild after cargo clean and confirm feature flags match your code paths. One key troubleshooting tip: if compilation errors reference traits or lifetimes, inspect the API version and feature set. Mismatched features are the most common root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.